followed by Ngashan Ngam Ngalung, former President TNFA. Ngashan Ngam Ngalung will be followed by Chingya Chamang, former President TNFA. Guru will be followed by Ngashan Ngam Ngalung, former President TNFA. He will be followed by Chingya Chamang, former President TNFA. Followed by Pilayung Jajo, Special Jury, Zingtan Wo. Followed by Rengapang Awungshi, Special Jury. May I call upon Soul Brother, our event partner. Soul Brother, our event partner, will be followed by 3-in-1, 3-in-1 Hotel, event partner. Followed by Ilishan Jajo, Special Jury. 3-in-1 event partner, Ilishan Jajo, Special Jury. Ina aming hog haibing hi thada stage li kami mamanlo order masasa yi jisalala tordre so Keishing, former President TNFA. Sachiri Enterprises, event partner. Tordreso Keishing, former President TNFA. He will be followed by Sachiri Enterprises, event partner, followed by the Ambrose Hotel, our event partner. Will be followed by our Renewal, former President TNFA. Followed by Ringmi Releng, former President TNFA. Razang Haibing Jina Shokmi Maman Runo. Sachiri Enterprises. Followed by Sorenzan Vashum, Special Jury Samkok. Please be on the stage. Sorenzan Vashum, Special Jury for Samkok. Ringmi Releng, former President TNFA. Followed by the Tangkhul Express event partners, followed by Sorenzan Vashum, our special jury for Samkok. Hina a representation Kangachang Saura, Ramamanda continues, Samaman Lushit say, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the presentation. May I now call upon the Jumping Pirates for the special performance. A loud round of another applause for the Jumping Pirates. This will be followed by a special number from Guru Ruben Mangu. He is a Padma Shri awardee. TNFA Award Night 2023 with special appearance Kanile itum lirang rumiere chi aina atam mazangla ani kanili la itum yari li chithenga ye yari nala ani li welcome sa ye da ka chithesa da ina hoka khava ring phala ga ina welcome sa khui milo ga hanga ye. For this may I call upon YL Revins, President TFN on the stage, TNFA on the stage. TNFA Award Night 2023 special appearance Sylvia Atafro, Mrs. Asia Pacific Intercontinental 2016. May I please invite you on the stage. We have a little gift of appreciation for your presence today. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for traveling from afar to join us in this event of Tangkhul Naga Film Festival 2023. Yari na panglagi na panggapemi say. She is Sylvia Atafro, Mrs. Asia Pacific Intercontinental 2019. Thank you once again. Next we have Mr. Lumi Shangchiri, Rubaru Mr. India Brand Ambassador 2023. Please come towards the stage. I repeat, Lumi Shangchiri, Rubaru Mr. India Brand Ambassador 2023. Ning Shinaye, Aji Ishilirang Rum Kamiwang. Panglaagi na bao mi sayarina. Thank you so much, Sylvia and Lumi, for joining us today. Jumping Pirates, if you are ready, the stage is yours. Jumping Pirates will be followed by Guru Ruben Mangu, Padma Shri Awardee. This will be followed by Azarin Production. Azarin Production will be followed by Magic Show by Vissel PS, winner Hunpun's Got Talent. After which, Horingam Lunghar, event manager, will say the word of thanks. And let us get ready for the musical night. May I call upon Guru Ruben Mangu, Padma Shri Awardee on the stage. Guru Ruben Mangu, Padma Shri Awardee on the stage. Thank you so much for joining us today. Ari stage ishiwi Guru Ruben Mangu li midale ana atam ka khwimiarino.
이는 분명히 다르시다. 이 다이렉트 사우드. Tangkhul nào bình, tôi từng bị kia khờ, mà lùng dân rơ cái gì, anh chỉ phát ta giàu hay rồi, kia khờ cái gì, khung lì, lì, phàm cọp đá được lì, tôi từng là mông chỉ lát rồi, thì cái ta film festival đông thì lát rơ rồi, ground thì lát gì, mình chỉ lát cái, ada cái gì, chief case miram rồi, tôi mình chung là hàng gì cái, tôi mình cái tani hát tầm khá sâu rồi, ông thì cái sao đi thay đổi lớn gì, tầm hàng nhẹ rồi, ít là chính nào bây giờ thì phải là cái, mình sẽ là cái, issue, anh chỉ chiếc cái camera, camera đi, rồi lấy cái này một số nào pin, artist pin, singer pin, rồi yellow, miếng lá pin, avoa lá pin, nó thường những cái đó là những cái ăn cơm thì là tất cả thì anh chỉ thấy cái pin đi, đi chui được khang cá cái gì, cái đó America aja setting the first time in my life at a meeting. Kita mengapa bisa kali pesan mau para, orang ini mengapa apa para? Kita ya aja take ini, melihat pesan lagi aja ini take ini. Okay. Ada yang itu mesti kita ini take. Kau ini tuan cik apa sentuh, jadi, siapa yang mau kita ini kesini kita apa? Tangkhul nào bình Naga sao ô tô ngoài các sai gì, asyik jangan pun. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Ruben. Thank you, Tangkhul Naga Film Association. Nanti nama cukup beri satu saya boleh mengaku itu. Itu mah actor ni, itu mah ada singer shoot ni, musician ni. Karena ini sagi lahir. Naga nak how lahir, kerja apa begini. Naga folk blues lahir. Sudah lahir, sasusone. So here goes Naga folk. 好拉黑，可啥事事个就拉呢？OK， 现在拉克，现在拉少了，食奶的阿拉巴吉，阿拉一路不开的，阿拉拉上去吧，阿没让你破生的 ，forever young， 哎，不是生了是得来经历了 forever young， 那从多了破生的，他了 chief case 里拉黑弟弟个参秒个。Ajonang Arunachal Kvali, Arunachal Chief Minister Jina, Imangalibam in the last Saturday. This song is dedicated to Chief Minister of Arunachal and Rimpanaida Awiti, Ruben Mangu, Mrs. and Posai, Takamina. Lahi, this song is dedicated to all the great people and the old man. Atumaning he knew the Jingle Tagatum Makang the Baragine. Rau the Saraka Sergeant How. Rangazer, when you show England, you make it and you the vow. May God bless and keep your way. May God bless.
will stay forever young. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is Guru Ruben Mangu, the Padma Shri awardee. Our Guru never disappoints us. Thank you so much for the mesmerizing performance. I now give this time to Azarian Production for the special performance, which will be followed by Jumping Pirates and Magic Show by Visil PS, winner Hunpun's Got Talent, and it will be followed by TNFA Award Night 2023. Azarian Production, please take the stage. This will be followed by Jumping Pirates. Please get ready. All this gold. The well-known singer, songwriter, and composer Tangkhul Sing live from Azarian Production. This is a surprise for all of us. He represents the Azarian Production. Another loud round of applause for Amay Tangkhul.
Beautiful people of Ukraine, Assam Kapabing, Azak Batabing, Kahang Kaganabi. Okay. Maram lady kapana Mina vama young I Young karing kalai don't know Equally me money Ringa she kon gazar mi rinu Keep on we my young kang bam shon brodo Sorry, we ka benji Mirin hi may thana Sorry, we ka benji Mirin hi may thana Tangkhul Take a missy money Take a missy money Gati karing mga chi Masun lay hayaka Masun wiming sing da Ten kare kazanga Akama sa kangay kasoni kacha So kalay na winning ring pakavay Wachun wachi money Dana hinjin haida Wachun wachi money Dana hinjin haida 어서가 멍어봐 깨끗이 그만테마 알아봐만 주나 호텔리 그를 잔그 사탕란 거 그동안 아나 타이뚝가 하이타야 mấy cái chỉ say hun lơ mà say mà rau mơ nơ mấy cái chỉ say hun lơ mà say mà rau mơ nơ tăng take me see money take me see money cái chỗ người này thì sao mày ta li Come on ngenam pramai Ina ke penggeha Benci mengetang Pening kesajina Ini sesama Awan negengetang Gelama kemahai Nesegera cintaida Nekon nekala Matai masyatra Ikila gerda Ingin tunggerai kesah Kira geshi Masih sempang hauda Ini nekengeshi Benci cumhaya Shivang kejang ketko Ini rasa ketang Raida Awan nekengetang Gelama kemahai Nesegera cintaida Nekon nekala Matai masyatra Kruwe trong không tháp đi Asa không tháp đi Ngập hồn thang của thầy đi Gerai kejang Kopi merawat di Ining mecingri Kesun yang ngelingi Kehusiman haida Kemesai opi Rawon mili syiru Ining codna haida Gerai dele Awan nekengetang Ini rasa Gelama kemahai Kemah Nesegera cintaida Nekon nekala Matai masyatra Đi silakan dong
He is and will always be one amongst the crowd's favorite. He is our one and only Ame Tangmeso. Thank you so much, Mr. Tangmeso Shinglai, for representing Azarin Production and for entertaining this crowd. May I now call upon the Jumping Pirates, which will be followed by Magic Show by Visil PS. He is the winner of Hunpun's Got Talent. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you the Jumping Pirates. May I call upon Vincil PS for his magic show. He is the winner of Punpun's Got Talent. This will be followed by TNFA Award Night 2023, which will be followed by Word of Thanks from Horingam Lunghar, the event manager of the event. After which, musical evening shall follow. Musical night will be entertained to us by the Spectrum and Sonam Top 10. After which, there is a musical piece from Leasor Rimai, and the benediction will be said by Benjamin Kasomwoshi, Censor Board. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Vincil PS, the winner of Punpun's Got Talent. Magic show by Vincil PS, winner Punpun's Got Talent.
Hello. Ina always sagi jili. Ili asisami kabai. Mr. Lumi Sanjiri. Naga Angel Shimra. Nasumnam nani na main sagai le kamilo. Naga Miss Papa Gujui na le shong milo. Ina Guru Ruben Mangu. Nó lấy cam mil jo. Mau ra chúng 키움 담래 이거 공사서 시트 퀴밀러죠. 시트 퀴밀러. 야루이나 동방 아시 방패미스죠. Sir Guru, naga ashi kami lo jahili. Okay, David, na hili show nhau lo naga. David. hai tao se ha li 9 ka thum khle ko ya iso magician bing na card si pangli da pam sa ku jitla na chumoin thera la he ina card sing da lem the da kai li sing da le la au thela he na chumoin thera la he kai li sing da le la arim thai lo hi ka thum ko hi ha ina khuyao ge ina khui la ga ara shimanai da chung zi lo jitla chung zai ka ba ka jang kan mu go re shimanao re ha ka hiling lo hi aka ko ya bang li khi kam lem ko ara ikni ko ya yang li lo ri la ikni ko ina khui lo re ha khui la ga mang re lo ikni ko ha mono re ha ara in 9 ka thum ko hi khui lo hi ha ta ka ki ba mak bai da space mak bai le ha space chi li zat le ha space chi hai dau se Miss Angel nu pang miang la pang miang nam shanti dau lo 9 of space chi khuyo re ha oi li mang ore la ga in da sai kha ba a thang 9 of space chi li pom sat le ha đừng lo ra top à chị camera lên hàng xem rồi chị camera lên technical problem kéo lấy đã rách bạc yang rồi thì bạc bấm sao vậy thôi chị ra kéo đây á cards à thằng nó thùng là cái bằng quý gì in ấn thùng đi hi cái bằng quý lô ra hàng la nó thùng là khi cái bằng quý lâm thêm này cái gì là cards xin nó thùng là to thay được cô cards thì đã trái là cái thùng mình cái trang cái bằng quý này cái gì là in thùng là in ấn nó li nó thùng li cái chỉ hỏi chance mình thôi á cái mong chỉ con thùng á khi ông thằng cards khi ông ta lên cái gì á cards cái bằng quý là cái mấy thằng son là shuffle sao thôi hả thế này hi order là mang chỉ lùm ra đây hả in a Benediction side được này cô thì first thì card gì hàng là Benediction side được này chứ ace of diamond nhá kia đây ace of diamond nhá ace of diamond gì hai tay sát đây second gì secondly kibam le four of clubs yeah four of clubs yeah thirdly kita here ace of hearts yeah nextly five of clubs la here five of clubs yeah right here next joker yeah right leg ho yeah lastly next baji two of clubs yeah nextly two of hearts yeah lastly three of diamonds ara thuk mai khar ja khali thì hi ngài trai có gì á ara cái này vậy AC na AC eka hi number ina represent salo si kya hota one ya AC na one ko second baji 4 ya 4 third baji na 1 ace of hearts ka 1 usually 5 usually joker hi ba any sabai ya any sabai in iba one khuyao ge yo one khuyao ge usually 2 usually arila 2 usually 3 number hiang laga khiklam the Tangkhul Naga Film Festival date 14 lim yon phoko date 15 aju in December 2023 share jo
Thank you so much, P.S. Visil the magician, for the jaw dropping show. Thank you so much. We shall now take this time for the TNFA Award Night 2023, which we have all been waiting for. TNFA Award Night. May I request the volunteers for the clearance of the, yeah, thank you. May I call upon Y.L. Revins, President TNFA, on the stage. As I call out your names, please come towards the stage. Special jury mention. Before that, the Tangkhul Film Awards 2023 jury members are, first we have Sunzu Pachas Patimayum, National Awardee Filmmaker Secretary MSFDS, the chairman. Second, we have Ungating Makang, Producer, Director, Member. Third, we have Asol Luitui, Actor, Convener Censor Board, TNFA, Member. V.R. Wilson, Member, Censor Board, TNFA. Romy Meite, National Awardee Filmmaker, Member. Altogether, 6 were received as entries for the Tangkhul Film Awards 2023. The jury viewed the films censored between 2022 to 2023 at the preview theater of the Manipur State Film Development Society, MSFDS, at the Palace Gate, Imphal. The quality of the productions pleasantly delighted the juries, and after threadbare deliberations, recommended the following awards with the respective citations. We haven't opened the envelope yet. It's fair. We are gonna call out the names. Please come towards the stage to receive your award. The first one, he has already come forward before to receive the stage, but still I shall mention his name. Special jury mention, Sorensen Vashum, for visual effects for the film Samkhok, Let Us Keep Applauding. Citation for the seamless integration of visual effects with a narrative, transporting audience to the time and space of the story. Next we have Reingapan Awungshi for the film Zingtanwo. If you are here, please come towards the stage. Citation for his subtle portrayal of a Tangkhul prince who championed peace and coexistence in his role as the protagonist of Zingtanwo. Reingapan Awungshi for the film Zingtanwo. Citation for his subtle portrayal of a Tangkhul prince who championed peace and coexistence in his role as the protagonist of Zingtanwo. Next we have Pilayung Jajo for the film Zingtanwo. Citation for her brilliant performance as a down-to-earth Tangkhul princess torn between the love of her life and the deep-seated animosity between their villages and her sacrifices. And the next we have Ilishan Jajo for the film Zingtanwo. Citation, despite her limited screen time, her remarkable screen presence shines brilliantly, leaving an indelible mark on the film. May I call upon Ailen Ronru for the film Zingtanwo. Best makeup. Citation, understated yet meticulously crafted makeup in Zingtanwo serves as a pivotal element in the film's storytelling. Its minimalistic approach remains organic to the narrative, striking a balance between visual appeal and authenticity, ensuring a harmonious visual continuity. As I call out your names, please come forward. Okay, for the best makeup, we have Ailen Ronru for the film Zingtanwo. Please give a loud round of applause for Ailen Ronru. Best Makeup Award, Ailen Ronru for the film Zingtanwo. Next, may I call upon Best Background Score, Thanre Varingnao for the film Tantak. May I request Royal Reverends President TNF on the stage, and please, announce the best costume. May I request Lumi to get ready for the next award declaration.
For Best Costume, Beth Kahore AC and AC Ringsing for the film Tangkhul.
The meticulous attention to detail in the costume and prop design of Tangkhul stands out as an essential element contributing to the authentic representation of the Christian-era Tangkhul setting. Its seamless integration captures the essence of Tangkhul cultural heritage, enhancing the film's look and narrative. Thank you so much, Royal Reverends President TNFA. May I now call upon Lumi Shangchiri, Rubaru Mr. India Brand Ambassador 2023, on the stage. Lumi Shangchiri will declare the award of Best Background Score. Lumi Shangchiri will declare the best writer.
Tangkhul Naga Flim Award 2023, Best Writer Obed Basha for the film Ihanungauka.
Best writer goes to Obed Basha for the film Ihanungauka. Please come towards the stage. Citation: for crafting a raw and authentic narrative in Ihanungauka, Let Me Return. The writer adeptly captures the tumultuous journey of a carefree youth, spiraling into a life marred by irresponsibility, alcohol abuse, and the complexities of polygamous relationships. The poignant storytelling delves into the character's cradle descent, portraying the stark consequences of his choices, eventually resonating a poignant message about redemption and the irreversible impact of one's actions. Lumi, please remain standing. Thank you so much. Lumi will also announce the Best Supporting Role Male. Aji ishina kazip kuigada kle hi main sa de hi wang kuigada kle ne jena yari nang rai san khai lam sa la ring phala ga ina athum na khiwang ina yu khai kle gi ji hila khangna mi lo da hangai.
Best supporting role male goes to Ung Leng Sing Long Leng for the film Yunra.
Best Supporting Role Male goes to Ung Leng Sing Lon Lang for the film Yunra. Citation for his engaging performance in portraying a villainous character striving to impress his drug lord boss and assert dominance over Shonyo. His portrayal breathes life into the antagonist, creating a palpable sense of tension and intrigue throughout the narrative. Lumi will also announce the Best Supporting Role Female. Best Supporting Role Female. And lastly, Lumi will also announce Best Cinematographer.
Best supporting role female goes to Rosie W.M. Shimre for the film Ngavai.
Best Supporting Role Female goes to Rosie W. Shimre for the film Ngavai. Citation for her excellent talent in portraying stigmatized women grappling with the devastating impact of HIV/AIDS. Her nuanced depiction of emotional turmoil and unwavering strength amidst adversity is a testament of her artistry. Next, Lumi Shangchiri will announce the Best Cinematographer.
Best cinematographer goes to Pum Singh Rungsung for the film Zintanwo.
Best Cinematographer goes to Pam Shim Rungsung for the film Zingtanwo. Citation. The cinematographer's exquisite vision and artistic sensibility shine through Zingtanwo's visual storytelling. The ability to seamlessly blend lyrical beauty with a realistic portrayal enriches the narrative, capturing the essence of varied scenes and sequences, skillfully orchestrates a harmonized visual tapestry. Pam Shim Rungsung? Okay, that's okay. That will be it. Thank you so much, Mr. Lumi Shangchiri, Rubaru Mr. India Brand Ambassador 2023. May I now call upon Sylvia Atafro, Mrs. Asia Pacific Intercontinental 2019, to declare the awards. Mrs. Sylvia Adafro, Mrs. Asia Pacific Intercontinental 2019, will declare the best editor. Best editor.
And the award goes to Soren Sang Wasum for the film Samkhok.
Best Editor goes to Sorensen Vashum for the film Samkok, citation for his exceptional craft that gave Samkok a seamless and engaging narrative through skillful pacing and dynamic storytelling, employing masterful techniques of juxtaposition and parallel cutting. The highlight life's inherent contradictions, resulting in a captivating and resonant cinematic experience. Next, we have the Best Actor, Male.
Best Actor goes to Khayai Khan R. Shimre for the film Yunra. Is that correct?
Yeah, correct. The Best Actor Male goes to Khayai Khan R. Shimre for the film Yunra, citation for his versatile acting, bringing to life a character filled with anguish and determination, seeking vengeance for his father's tragic demise. His nuanced portrayal navigating the complexities of love and revenge, while convincingly depicting the character's internal conflicts. The next declaration will be the Best Actor Female. Best Actor Female.
Best Actor Female goes to Angel Shimre for the film Ngavai.
Best Actor Female goes to Angel Shimra for the film Nove. Citation for her tapped and sensitive portrayal of Nim Sen, a spirited and happy-go-lucky daughter of a wealthy family who navigates love across social divides. Her seamless embodiment of the character's emotional journey showcases her remarkable ability to bring authenticity to the storyline. Lastly, Sylvia will announce the Best Director.
Best Director goes to A.C. Rin Singh for the film Samkok.
The Best Director goes to S.E. Rinching for the film Samkok. Citation: the director's cinematic storytelling, dynamic framing, and nuanced portrayal of characters and traditions, skillfully weaving a multi-layered narrative that intricately delves into the rich cultural tapestry of pre-Christian Tangkhul society while engaging audiences through a gripping narrative. Thank you so much, Mrs. Sylvia Atafro. Thank you so much. Once again, she is none other than Mrs. Sylvia Atafro, Mrs. Asia Pacific Intercontinental 2019. Last but not the least, may I call upon our chief guest today, Ram Muiva, IS retired Honorable MLA 44 SC Ukrul, to declare the best film. Last but not the least, I call upon our chief guest today, may I call upon YL Ravins, President TNFA, on the stage to announce the Best Film Award. May I call upon the son of Ram Muiva, Stephen Muiva, to come in place of your father to announce the Best Film Award. Stephen Muiva, please come towards the stage to announce the Best Film Award. Citation.
Best Film 2023. Tangkhul, The Morning Star.
The Best Film Award goes to Tangkhul, The Morning Star, producer Meipung Productions, director Makan Miramror and Sima K.S. Aungshi. Citation: Tangkhul, The Morning Star, poignantly portrays a pre-Christian Tangkhul love saga, showcasing the timeless tale of star-crossed lovers amidst the tumultuous backdrop of feuding villages. The film masterfully navigates the complexities of love, loyalty, and tradition through its compelling narrative and emotive storytelling. Congratulations to everyone today who has got the award of Tangkhul Film. Thank you so much, Stephen Muiva, for your time. Now may I call upon Benjamin Kasomoshi, Censor Board, for the Benediction, which will be followed by musical evening. Benjamin Kasomoshi, Censor Board, for the closing prayer, Benediction. May I call upon Horingam Lunghar, Event Manager, for the word of thanks.
Ningshi Gijanghanai After 14 and 15 December 2023, we Tangkhul Naga Film Association Film Festival Myon Dakle Hili Shuru Rakumi Gaya Imaram we being Notum we can join after Pitadam Pakang Sakna to hear and make up the Salam Hang Pundale. Kiashikapaya Jeff Kies as we Ojara Muiva, MLA 44 ECU crew, Sir Kushim, Minister, Animal Husbandry and Transport of Manipur, Mataila Kaina Atsuwi, Ukruwi SP, Sir Nisham Bashum, Azui program Rod Maratakli Psycho Rihili Anna VIP being Psycho Rihili Anna Escort Samilaga Azui event Hililana Security Hakami Wang Itum Ninglum Laka in the Bumdakli Jihi Hangs Pundale Kiashik Baya Kala Hang the Lamapen Gizia Tangkhul Nobing After we ishi Tangkhul Naga Film Association hina Nidre mega event mion ki hili Natumi Kung John Mazangla Mamyon Rug Jihi Tangkhul Naga Film Association we on behalf aina natumli salam ko chung ka hang jupon dalai. Event partner Sami Daklaya Messenger Sound, Ambrose Hotel, Sachuri Enterprises, Shankar LED, Light, Shurukwimi Daklaya Artist Wing, Psycho Rally, Ningshi Haide, Jihi, Pongchok Dalai. Last but not the least, Natumi, Yari Natumna, Rakang Tom Kamiwang Itumla, Radaklia Jingum, Kanawa Jingum Hilla, Malung Bing Maida, Zhang Maida, Salushi Drug, Jihi, Tangkhul Naga Film Association, Matun Sada, Hangushitali, Nishlakira.
Thank you so much, Horingam Lunghar, event manager, for the short and sweet word of thanks. Yari, ara nutun the hong jing jing lay dakle. Musical evening, musical night, ya how Hili entertain Sami Gijiping na, the Spectrum, Aina Sonam Top 10. Kavauji Masuita Hayase, introduction Katia was Sami Idole, Spectrum Bashui. The Spectrums is an all-girls band from Makokchung, formed in the year 2022. Their music incorporates elements of metal, rock, alternative rock, and classic. They are greatly influenced and inspired by bands such as Metallica, AC/DC, Iron Maiden, Mr. Big, Bon Jovi, etc. The band comprises of Imkum, Ozukum, the vocalist, Enan, the guitarist, Anuk, the guitarist, Eji Longcomer, the bassist, and Meren Imsong, the drummer. The band name The Spectrums is an inspiration from that of the Rainbows to show their principle of inclusivity and diversity, and to embrace the image of love and friendship. Like how a rainbow has different colors, we represent together as one. They envision to encourage and influence the music community, especially the many upcoming female musicians, and to embrace women empowerment. Also to create a new era of music, breaking the stereotypical expectation from women within the music scene. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Spectrums! Iram now pingle announcement na kasangai dele request ra dele organizers we na hiwi stage wag hili fans ping reno mga limarami log chi hi hangai dele kashi masalo itum kya shing rock ta ring phala ke na achuing zin here enjoy sa say da hangai dele. China Achui, Tangkhul Naga Film Festival 2023 hili. Yari gutong ana siksa lala. Ragatom mida. Ring palak ay na rang rumi kaywang ningyang kuung ring kapala pongsyong ay dali.
Hello, check, test, test. Hello.
bad name. You play your game, you give love a bad name. Firstly, we would like to thank the organizers of Tangkhul Film Association for having us here tonight. And now, are you guys ready to rock tonight with us? Are you guys ready to rock tonight with us? Okay, let's go. I sing a prayer for the one, don't forget myself to include everyone. I tuck you in one more day, keep your feet from sin till the summer to go. Sleep with one eye open, gripping the pillow tight, exhale light, enter night. Take my hand, rock to never, never let. Something's wrong, set the light, every dust tonight, and the others so white. Dreams of white, dreams of light, dreams of dragons fight, all the things I will buy. Yeah, sleep with one eye open, gripping your pillow tight, exhale light, enter night. Take my hand, rock to never, never let. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you my bandmates. On the guitars we have Cindy and Anand. And on the bass we have Achi. And on the drums we have Murray. And me, I'm Imkum, the vocalist of the band. And we are the Spectrums. Everybody holds on! Hush, little baby, don't say a word. And never mind the noise you heard. But there's a piece under your bed, in your closet, in your head. Exit light, enter night, grain of sand. Exit light, enter night. Take my hand, you'll have to never, never let. Any AC/DC fans out here? Okay then, I hope you guys know this song. Can you sing along with us? Then, I'm on a. Okay, this is Highway to Hell. Living easy, living free. Season ticket on a one-way ride. Asking nothing, leave me be. Singing everything in my stride. Don't need reason, don't need right. Ain't nothing I'd rather do. Going down, party time. My friends are gonna be there too. Come on, sing. I'm on a highway to hell. Highway to hell. I'm on a highway to hell. Highway to hell. No stop signs, speed 11. Nobody's gonna slow me down. Like no fear, gonna speed it. Nobody's gonna mess me around. Hey, Satan, pay my dues. Pain in a wrecking bed. Hey, mama, look at me. I'm on my way to the promised land. Hey, I'm on a highway to hell. Highway to hell. I'm on a highway to hell. Highway to hell. Don't stop me. I'm on a highway to hell. Highway to hell. I'm on a highway to hell. Highway to hell. never dreamed that I could fall, but something comes over me. And now I'm sitting staring at the wall, afraid for my sanity. The sound of your voice, the touch of your skin, it's calling me. It's calling me. I've been trying to come to my senses, but I can't look back, so I'm taking my chances. I wanna give you my heart, give you my soul. I wanna lay in your arms, never let go. Don't wanna live my life without you, but I know when you're gone. Like a fire needs a spark, like a fool in the dark. Honey, I'll cry for you. Yeah, I'll cry for you. I'm wondering why I'm running late from what I believe in. I know that love is just another way to say what I'm feeling. For once in my life, the future is mine. It's calling me. It's calling me. I've been searching so long for an answer, but it's too late now, so I'm taking my chances. I wanna give you my heart, give you my soul. I wanna lay in your arms, never let go. Don't wanna live my life without you, but I know when you're gone. Ooh, like a fire needs a spark, like a fool in the dark. Honey, I'll cry for you. For once in my life, the future is mine. It's calling me. It's calling me. I've been searching so long for an answer, but it's too late now, so I'm taking my chances. Come on! I wanna give you my heart, give you my soul. I wanna lay in your arms, never let go. Don't wanna live my life without you, but I know when you're gone. Ooh, honey, I'll cry for you. I wanna give you my heart. I'll cry for you. I wanna lay in your arms. Don't make me cry for you. I wanna give you my heart. Yeah, I'll cry for you. I wanna lay in your arms. I'll cry for you. Whoa, 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 three, go! She was a fast machine, she kept the motor clean. She was the best damn woman that I ever seen. She had the side by side, telling me no lies, and knocking me out with those American ties. Taking more than a share, and me fighting for air. She told me to come, but I was already dead. Cause the walls started shaking, the earth was quaking, my mind was aching, and we were making it through. Shoot me all night long. Yeah, you shoot me all night long. Working double time on that seduction line. She's one of a kind, she's just a mind on mine. Wanna know applause, it's just another course. Made a meal out of me and come back for more. Had to cool me down to take another round. Now I'm back in the ring to take another swing. As the walls were shaking, the earth was quaking, my mind was aching, and we were making it, yeah. Shoot me all night long. Yeah, you shoot me all night long. Knock me out and then you shoot me all night long. You want me shaking and you shoot me all night long. Yeah, you shoot me. Yeah, you shoot me. You shoot me every day, you. You knock me out and you shoot me all night long. You want me shaking and you shoot me all night long. You really got me and you shoot me all night long. Yeah, you shoot me. This next song I want you guys to come up to the front. Let's have some fun. Are you guys ready to have some more fun? Okay. Never really feel quite right, I don't know why. All I know is something's wrong. Every time I look at you, you seem so alive. Tell me how do you do it, walk me through it. I'm following every footstep. Maybe on your own you take a question step. Do you wanna give it up? But I don't want it's for you to shine. Shine down on me. Shine on this light that's burning up. sometimes that they come alright, and I act like I don't know why. I guess the reaction's all I was looking for. You look through me, you really knew me like no one's ever looked before. Maybe on your own you take a question step. Do you wanna give it up? But I don't want this for you to shine. Shine down on me. Shine on this light that's burning up. Shine down on me. Shine on this light that's burning. Maybe on your own you take a cautious step. Do you wanna give it up? But all I want is for you to shine. Shine down on me. Shine on this light that's burning up. Shine, I know I'm in me. Shining on me, shine on this light that's burning Oh, crew! Are you guys ready to bang your heads? I want all of you to start banging your heads, okay? Okay. This is Hallowed Be Thy Name. Waiting in my presence when the bell begins to chime, reflecting on my course life, and it doesn't have much time. 'Cause at 5 o'clock they take me to the gallows pole, and the sands of time for me are running low. But when the priest come to read me the last choice, take a look to the mass and the last sign of a world that is gone very wrong for me. Can it be that the storms of the veteran have to stop this mountain terror? Is it really the end of some crazy dream? Somebody please tell me that I'm dreaming. It's not easy to stop from screaming. The words escape me when I try to speak. This for the why am I crying after all So I believe that the memories in there. There's a gun push me out to the corner. Somebody cries for myself, I'll be with you. There's a gun, wants to let me go. There's a lot my life just before me. Go the end is still, I'm not sorry. Catch my soul, it's willing to fly away. Mark my words, believe my soul is gone. Don't worry now, that I have gone, I've gone beyond to seek the truth. When you know that the time is gone, then I maybe then you begin to understand I'm down to just a stranger loser. Give it up for Robin! Pow, pow, baby, bye-bye. and that was all she wrote. I got home late on a Saturday night, and I knew right away something wasn't right. I knew she was gone. She took all I had, forever holding my heart. Should've known it go bad right from the start. What did I do wrong? I can't understand why she would leave me this way with nothing to say. I remember the note on the floor. They say goodbye, she don't want me no more. Bye bye, baby, bye bye, she said in the letter, and that was all she wrote. Guess this is goodbye, guess this is forever, and that was all she wrote. I called on the phone, but she wasn't there. Should've known all along that she just didn't care. Ooh, why did she have to go? Oh no. And then I look at the picture and I wonder why she left me this way. Why did she say goodbye? And I guess I'll never know. Whoa, I can't understand why she would leave me this way with nothing to say. I remember the note on the door. They say goodbye, she don't want me no more. Bye bye, baby, bye bye, she said in the letter, and that was all she wrote. Yes, this is goodbye, yes, this is forever, and that was all she wrote. She said in the letter, and that was all she wrote. Guess this is goodbye, guess this is forever, and that was all she wrote. Baby, bye-bye, she said in the letter, and that was all she wrote. Guess this is goodbye, guess this is forever, and that was all she wrote. Bye, baby, bye-bye. In the still of the night, hear the wolf behind us, sniffing around your door. In the still of the night, feel my heart beating heavy, telling me I gotta have my love. In the shadow of night, see the full moon rise, telling me what's in store. My heart starts aching, my body starts shaking, and I can't take no more. No, no. No, I just wanna be close to you and taste your love so sweet. I just wanna make love to you, feel your body heat. In the still of the night, in the still of the night. Over here, baby. In the heat of the day, hear my head down low and hide my face from the sun. To the light of day, till the evening come, I'm waiting for the night to come. Ooh, baby. In the still of the night, in the cool moonlight, I feel my heart is racing. In the still of the night. Stepping around your door in the still of the night, feel my heart beating heavy, telling me I got it. Ooh, baby. No, I just wanna get close to you, taste your love so sweet. I just wanna make love to you, feel your body heat. In the still of the night. Still of the night, still of the night. Still of the night, still of the night, still of the night. Still of the night, 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 still of the night. Okay, this will be our last song, and we want to thank you guys for being such an amazing crowd, and we just want to say we love you guys as well. So this next song Are you guys ready to sing with us? Will you guys sing it louder than us? Okay. This song is Sweet Child of Mine. She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky. And now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. If I stay too long, I'll probably break down and cry. Whoa. She's got eyes of the bluest skies as if they thought of rain. I hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of pain. Her hair reminds me of a warm, safe place where as a child I and pray for the thunder and the rain to quietly pass me by. Whoa. Where do we go now? Where do we go? Ooh, where do we go now? Where do we go? Ooh. Where do we go now? No, 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 no. Sweet child, sweet child, my love. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Before we get off the stage, we have one request to make. Okay. Can we take a picture with you guys? Do you guys agree? Okay. Everybody horns up! Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that was a spectacular, mind-blowing performance from the Spectrum. Up next we have Sonam Top Dan, the well-known singer-songwriter and composer from Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, shall we give another thunder of applause for the Spectrum? Mermaid the Vausila, Akashi the Vausila. In a 1, 2, 3 hangay. Huh? Mamyagle. Akashi the Spectrum we wang. Vause. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much, Spectrum. Next up we have Sonam Top Dan on the stage. He will be performing only 2, 3, 4 songs for us tonight for the love of fans. Jena yari pingli request aka sangai de leye stage literary here kakachi athumi instruments ping current ching ai da masing bai thu jine chiktha je masami alo ning shinare che aina ring phala kaina ring phang rum se tila mahang phapai se phala kaina chong la kai enjoy sang rum se stage lila makami alo ning shinare.
I wanted to come to Manipur, so I'm finally here, and thank you so much for showing.
Jane lost and found Nokia phone katiobashi akalay dale stagely shiman kai zangaka stagely rakhimiruno.
It's a beautiful place and beautiful people.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Spectrums together with Sonam Top 10.
Check, everyone. Good to see you guys again. Check. On the monitor, please, on the monitor. Check. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be singing with the Spectrum, the great Spectrum. I'm so honored to be sharing the stage with them, and I'll be singing two English songs for you all. And if I mess up, then please forgive me, alright? Check. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm.
I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so to say,
If it rain or sunny day, I know shining down like water. Have you ever seen the rain? I want to know. Have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Yesterday and days before,
sun is cold and rain is hard. I know. Did not wait for all my time.
to forever on it goes,
to the circle fast and slow. I know in this love I wonder.
Sing it!
Have you ever seen the rain? Have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yeah, I want to know, have you ever seen the rain?
I want to know, have you ever seen
The rain coming down on a sunny day.
That was beautiful, thank you! Woo! For the Spectrum, everyone! That was beautiful. Everyone back there, please. Please. Check.
Beauty queen of only 18, she had some trouble with herself.
He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door. I've heard you so many times, but somehow I want more. Yeah, come on. Beauty queen, out of your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with a broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved, and she will be loved. She will be loved, and she will be loved. Tap on my window, knock on my door. I wanna make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure. It doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies that compromise and move us along. Yeah. I know my heart is open. It's open, come on, one. I don't mind spending every day out on the corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with a broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved. I know where you hide, all alone in your car. Know all of the things that make you who you are. I know that goodbye means nothing at all. Come back and bet me, catch her every time she falls. Yeah. Tap on my window, knock on my door. I wanna make you feel beautiful. I don't mind spending every day out on the corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with a broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved. Try so hard to be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved. Try so hard to say goodbye. Thank you so much. A huge round of applause for the Spectre. Come on, everyone. Thank you so much. All right, guys, you guys ready to jump? Are you sure you guys ready to jump? All right. Can I have the aux cable, please? Sure.
louder. Track louder. ऐसे क्या चली हवा खिल गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास. Come on guys. होने लगा होने लगी ऐसे क्या चली हवा खिल गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास. Come on guys. मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी न जानू मैं न जाने तू हुआ ये जादू कैसे जो मेरा था वो खो गई जो तेरा मिल गया जैसे इस दिल में जब जाना के बस तू. Come on guys. तू मैं तेरा होने लगी. Come on. क्यों कभी लगा है जैसे हाँ यही बस यही समा है जिसमें जिंदगी है जीने ऐसी एक पल है बागी जैसे अजनबी जहाँ के लग जाए गले जैसे तू चले और दुनिया तेरे संग चले जैसे रात चुपके से तेरे कानों में कहे कि अब तो जाने क्यों. Come on. मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी तू मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा. मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी ऐसे क्या चली हवा खिल गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास. तू मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा. मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी. Come on everyone. 1, 2, 3 jump. मैं तेरा तू मेरी होने लगी. Thank you. That was beautiful. That was awesome. Come on, you crew. That was beautiful. Every one of you, beautiful. Thank you so much. All right, 2 songs more. All right, 2 songs more. Louder, please. Track louder. Track louder, please. I can't hear. मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों, खुद की भी सुन ले कभी। कुछ बात गलत भी हो कबीरा, जब हम पैदा हुए जग का जब सजदा किए, ऐसी करनी कर चलो कि खुद गर्ज सी ख्वाहिश लिए बेसास भी हम तुम जिए है गुलाबी गुलाबी समा। सूरज दो घुट रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के चो। सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारे रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के। सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारे गम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के। दिल दिया गल्ला करांगे नाल नाल बह के, अखियां मिला के दिल दिया गल्ला। For you brother. Alright, so the next song is going to be my last song. So please everyone, I want to make this night a memorable night for me and for you, so please, on front. हमको कहते सुपरमैन on the गल्लो handicap from AM to PM बंदे एक्चुअल सर्विसमैन। कौन गाए? तेनू मैं लव करदा बेमतलब करदा, बाहों में आ सोनिए बस सच रात के लिए। साडी ते दसी है अदा, साडी ते हो जाने पींदा, बाहों में आ सोनिए बस सच रात के लिए। सिंगे सुबह मैं तेरा हीरो ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ। सुबह होने ना दे साथ खोने ना दे, एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे। मैं तेरा हीरो आ हीरो आ हीरो आ हीरा हीरो। हाय मैनू तू हॉट लगदी, लखत नोट लगदी, मौका मिला है अभी
होगा ना फिर ये कभी सनत टच कर ले मचा टू मच कर ले बाहों में आ सोनिए बस आज रात के लिए sing it everyone तू मेरा हीरो ओ ओ ओ मैं तेरा हीरो सुबह होने ना दे साथ खोने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे मैं तेरा हीरो हीरो मैं तेरा हीरो सुन लो जरा अमीरो बंदा मेरा बुद्धा मैं फ्रेंड सबदा देखे दुनिया के कोने बस हम दोनों ही सोने कुरियों में अपने चर्चे हम पे करते हैं खर्चे लाइफ ने ऐसा धोया मैं जान बचा के सोया सूरज से मैंने बोला हाँ बोला बोला सुबह होने ना दे सुबह साथ एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे तू मेरा हीरो सुबह होने ना दे साथ खोने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे मैं तेरा हीरो चुप One, two. हमको कहते सुपरमैन ऑन कर लो हैंडीकैप for me am to be a बंदे it's a serviceman come on guys come on boom boom shot shot मारेंगे सारी रात boom boom shot shot मारेंगे मारेंगे boom boom shot shot मारेंगे सारी रात boom boom shot shot मारेंगे Marenge. Thank you. You guys look beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is the last of Sonam Top 10. He will never cease to mesmerize us with his captivating voice. Thank you so much, Sonam Top 10 and Spectrum, for traveling miles away just to join us here at Tangkhul Naga Film Festival 2023. We will really miss you. Ungmi khai masalo se ha sa khui lagang chang room se laka organizer chong we na request sa da leye stage hilika laga amaka ka kap che masami alo da hang da leye thumli privacy mi khabai arava khang chang se ha wi bang benediction wi bang Benjamin Kasomoshi censor board li Hokangai Dele. Benjamin Kasomoshi, censor board, will say the benediction. Please come on the stage and say the benediction. And thank you everyone for taking part in this first Tangkhul Naga Film Festival 2023. Audience, you guys are amazing. We love your performance. China announcement na kasala ka okay vil angkang na announcing put hilira milo na we welat hilita tungay dale vil angkang na we welat hilita tungay dale Jane phone akal lost and found tili ledale. 1 plus phone akata tungai dele Jane vil angkang nawe wallet lahilita tungai dele kara khumilo announcing budli.